Did you know your investments could be your next source of credit? Exploding head, that's right. Instead of selling off your hard-earned assets to get cash, you could be using them as collateral for a loan. This is the idea behind M1 Borrow. For many investors, M1 Borrow is a game-changer, offering a flexible and low-cost way to access cash without disrupting their investment strategy. But it's not without its risks. Let's break down how M1 Borrow works, the benefits it offers, and the crucial risks you need to understand before you borrow a single dollar. How it works. M1 Borrow is a portfolio line of credit. Unlike a traditional loan, you aren't applying for a specific amount of money for a specific purpose. It's a revolving credit line where you can borrow up to 50% of your eligible portfolio's value at any time. The best part? There's no application, no credit check, and no loan officer to talk to. As long as you have at least $2,000 invested in an eligible M1 individual or joint brokerage account, the option to borrow is automatically available. Your investments act as the collateral, and M1 charges a low, variable interest rate on the amount you borrow. The repayment is flexible. You can pay back the loan on your own schedule, as long as you make the monthly interest payments. The benefits of M1 Borrow. The main benefit is liquidity without liquidation. You can get cash for a major purchase, a down payment on a house, or even to start a business, all without selling your investments and triggering a taxable event. This is a huge advantage over cashing out your portfolio, which can result in capital gains taxes. The low interest rates are another big draw. M1's interest rates are competitive, especially when you compare them to high-interest credit cards or personal loans. Finally, the flexible repayment gives you control. You can pay off the loan in a lump sum or in small increments, unlike a traditional loan with a strict, fixed payment schedule. This can be great for cash flow management. The risks of M1 Borrow. This isn't a free lunch. The biggest risk is the margin call. If the value of your portfolio drops significantly, your collateral is worth less. M1 will issue a margin call, which is a demand for you to deposit more cash or sell some of your investments to bring your account back into compliance. If you can't or don't, M1 has the right to sell your assets for you, which can lead to significant losses. Another risk is amplified losses. Remember, you're borrowing to invest. While this can magnify your gains when the market is up, it can also supercharge your losses when the market is down. You're still on the hook for the loan, even if your investments lose all their value. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.